Welcome everybody to the Family DIY channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do a clove hitch. The clove hitch holds well when the standing part of the rope is pulled straight out from a pole or a post. It is a knot used to start and finish most lashings. To tie a clove hitch, bring the rope end over and under the post. Bring the rope end around a third time, then tuck it under the center of the X. Tighten the knot by pulling the end and the standing part. You now have a clove hitch. To master the skill, let's do this one more time. And if you found this video to be useful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out our many other knot tying videos. Thank you very much.